Hi, we're here in Bideford in West Devon, outside the Strawberry Fields farm shop, which is showcasing Devon's farm produce at its best. Over the last few weeks, I have spoken to farmers and fishermen across the constituency, many of whom are seriously concerned over the prospect of a no-deal Brexit. Johnson claims to be able to negotiate a comprehensive trade deal with the EU by Christmas next year, walking away if it can't be done, then to do a trade deal with Trump. We know that in reality it takes years to make trade deals. The reality is we will be crashing out with no deal by Christmas next year. This will mean sky-high tariffs for our farmers on their farming products going to their main export markets across Europe. Then he's going to follow that up with a trade deal with Trump's America. If the NHS is being taken off the table, and it will, our farmers will be the trade-off. The UK will be flooded with chlorinated chicken and hormone-treated beef. Our farmers will not be able to compete with the unfair and cruel farming practices in the US. At the end of the day, Mrs. Brown will be buying cheaper but inferior meat products at her local supermarket. But British family farms will be destroyed, with all the implications that has for our rural communities. That is why the Lib Dems are fighting to stop Brexit. Use your vote on the 12th of December to end this nonsense, to protect Devon's family farms and stop Brexit. Thank you.